What's up, y'all? I'm back again. I just made a video, so now I'm about to make a YouTube thumbnail. So I figured I'll make a video on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So, so here we go. I want to make a thumbnail for the video I just finished. So movies. Oh, this is me right now. I did a video on how to do a business card design. I just need a good thumbnail image. This should do. I'm just gonna go. I press Command Shift 4. I want to take a screenshot of the video that I just did. So I just did a screenshot. It's going to save on the desktop like this, and boom. Now I want to emphasize like things like I see other YouTubers do. So here's me, moi. There's I. And I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna take the pen tool, click here. Just nothing perfect. Just selecting around my face, hat, body, my hoodie, right. Once you got it down, right click. You can do make selection. I don't want to feather it. 0. Oh shoot. Undo that. Make selection. I don't know why I was doing that. Alright, click this one and then do make selection. Press OK. Oh, there it is. Well, it wasn't showing up. Alright, so after you got the selection, the dancing marching ants, press Command J on the layer that you want to take it from, and it'll duplicate it. Now, for the sake of this, I'm going to do FX, go to stroke, go to outside, change this to white, or maybe like red or something vibrant. Yeah, we'll just do red. So that's me. I'm gonna do Command J again, but this time I want to do the inside. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. So I hide that. Let's go back to the stroke over here. I wish you could round the stroke. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go to the. So I just added a stroke. Oh yeah, make sure the image size is 1280 by 720. I had looked it up as the recommended thumbnail size, up to 2 megabytes. Now I'm gonna take a screen cap of what I just made. Download 300 ppi. I did a mock-up too, so we can use this one. I just dragged it over here. I'm just trying to figure out where to put it so people can just rotate it. YouTube thumbnails remind me of like the Microsoft Paint days, because you don't have to be perfect, and I'm a perfectionist at times, so that's good. Drop shadow. I'm just gonna move this around. Let's do overlay. The purpose of the YouTube thumbnail is to get attention, so I'm just trying to do random bright shit. Put a drop shadow over that. Who cares if it's not aligned properly? Now I just need a stupid font. Business card 101. Open Sans extra bold. Let's put this at 20. Did I spell that right? BUS. Busyness, yes. And make this text a little bit bigger. Make it red. Let's make it red. Red, and then let's do like, if you hold Alt and click on this layer, and you see that duplicate white cursor, drag down, move this to the back, go to color overlay, and now we just need a good color for this. What makes red pop out? Yellow. I guess it does. Now we can just move it up a little bit. It's just hard to see amongst that background. So we need something that's a little bit better. We can use this bright blue from the logo, and we can go over here and you can sample this logo color. Let's go back to the blue text, go to gradient overlay. Where is it? Oh, you know what? We can't do that yet. Click the blue one, press create a new layer, select the new layer and the old one, press Command E to merge them together. So it's no longer editable. Now we can go to gradient overlay. And you know, if you change this to darken or multiply, you can play around with the different blend modes. Overlay is cool. You can even get fancy, like, you know, change them up. It's on overlay right now, so it's not gonna do too much outside of the colors because it's overlaying into the main blue. But we can do something like this. Yep. Bam. So I'm gonna flat image all of this. Double click that. I'm gonna go to images, adjustments. You know what? Go to mode RGB, images, adjustment, vibrance, because I want to vibrate it up. Boost the colors in the thumbnail. I'm going to images, adjustments, levels. Excuse me, you know, to boost everything up. It's kind of dark up in there. All right, business card 101. Now I'm going to go to filter, one more thing, and sharpen so people can see it clearly. Save as YouTube thumbnail. File, export, quick export as PNG, YouTube thumbnail downloads. All right, now I am on YouTube. I just uploaded a video. This is the video I just made, but I needed a thumbnail for it. And you can see they have my custom thumbnails. I mean, the ones that they came up with, but we already made a custom one. So if you click custom thumbnail at the bottom of the screen, the upload screen on youtube.com/upload, after you upload, you can change it. And I'll press select. So it says how to create a business card design in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for checking out my channel. In this video, I cover how to set up, layout, and export the files for a business card design. I also cover how to create a simple photorealistic mockup in Adobe Photoshop after you create your files in Illustrator. I finally show how to upload your final designs to a print-on-demand servicer like Staples.com. And to pick them up later that day, or to have them shipped. A lot of orders, so you're only as good as your hashtags and content. Otherwise, people can't find you. And if they do find you, if you don't have good content, then they won't stay. What do you do? Where's how to and style? Filming, animation, music. Yeah, I guess it's how to and style. Allow comments. All this, blah, blah. Publish. It's up. Y'all check it out. Actually, let me check it out for the first time. Ooh. What's up, YouTube? All right, today we're going to be making... That's it.